Hey, here we go. Starting a new thing called Heavy Rain. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, he's shirtless, I guess. That's good to see. What? Oh, okay, that's how I move. Aww. Aww, that's nice. Oh, I gotta scratch my fucking nose. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's so nice. I need a better view of this. My camera sucks.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
No, it's not like I didn't know how to do anything. Hey, a paper. Let's go and read. Oh,
I'm shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime.
Wow.
And then I'll come home to get
Sorry, my screen's going all red.
Birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
What's my screen? It's going all reddish and all stuff. That's good. That's good. Oh. Stupid bird. Stupid bird. I don't like those birds at all. What does he do? Oh, come on, really? It's like a piss. It's just go pee. That's good. It's not like the viewers really hate this at all. You can take a pee, I don't care. You can just flush the toilet. What the? Oh, I should have flushed the toilet. I feel like going back. Look at my sexiness. Look at him. He's like, oh yeah, what you want? Oh yeah, I'm so skinny. Let's brush my teeth. What? I had to brush my teeth? But I had to press. Let's do this. Yeah. That's how you brush teeth. Yeah, up, down, up and 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 down. Oh. What? You're done? You're done brushing your teeth already? That's bad hygiene. I had to quit right there. Wow. That's safe. Oh, that was if I miss. I'm gonna see if I can miss. See, I better not. I might change the story a lot. Right there. Perfect. This is perfect. So beautiful. This is so beautiful. That's beautiful. It looks like... I'm not gonna even spoil alerts. Oh my god, no! No! Okay, I wasn't gonna show that. Oh, what? There's lag. I don't want to show that part, guys. It's YouTube policies.
Nothing like a refreshing shower.
Yeah, nothing
I
like...
feel awake.
Nothing like a refreshing shower. That's good.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Okay. Okay. That's good to know, bro. You're awesome for doing that. Wow. Oh yeah, there's just an polo shirt and a retarded and camel pants. Wow. This is. Oh my god. Oh yeah, he's like an architect.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Okay. What am I again? I turn an architect or something? I think I'm an architect, because I remember being an architect in the game. I'm pretty sure I'm an architect.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time?
No. Let's go to the office. Oh, where the hell's the office? Oh my god, what's wrong with PS3? Wow. That's perfect. Just sit there. Just sit there. It's all good. I'm an architect. Oh yeah, I was right. I'm pretty sure I'm an architect. Perfect. So awesome. I got hungry. Okay, we're back. Yeah, to draw this, I'm drawing this house. I got really hungry, so I had to eat. Okay. I might add some music to it. No, I'm not gonna add any music. What a beautiful drawing! Oh my god, I can never draw that in my life. Draw that stuff. I can't say any cuss words. Wow! Oh, man, what the heck are you doing with that stuff? What are you erasing it, bro? That's perfect. No. Boo. Fucking, this guy's awesome. Yeah, keep erasing that stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. God, why is this so hard? Oh! This actually isn't easy. This is actually really easy. Get that stuff, and let's go up and down, 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 up. What is wrong with my TV screen? Yeah, yeah. Up and down, up and down. Okay, I can't do anything now. This guy is good. I suck at that stuff. Whoa. What the heck? What is going on?
Plans are coming along nicely. Should be finished by Monday.
Okay, bro. Okay. We finished by Monday. Are they coming home or something, I think? Pretty sure they're coming. Let's go and... Yeah! Pump it! Pump it hard!
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
Yeah!
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge. It's lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute. I'm thirsty.
That's the mother load, alright. I was... shake that stuff. Come on, shake. Drink it plain. Yeah! Yeah! Drink it plain.
Finished. Now I can relax and seize the day. I could go for a cup of coffee.
What the heck? It froze
Grace found a
again.
present
Okay.
for Jason's birthday.
I think he's freezing.
It's stuffy in here. I should get some fresh air in the garden.
It's stuffy. Let's open that. Come on. The song's just ruining it. Oh my god, that's a huge house. Not bigger than mine though, but still. Oh yeah, Toy Sword! Oh yeah, I'll play. Oh yes, kids, okay. That's a little too. Yeah, let's do this. Let's play with swords. Oh my gosh, it takes forever. What's to do now? Just walk up the stairs. I'm just gonna go back to the door. Yeah, turn that. I'm gonna. God, finally, I forgot. Good thing I remembered to turn it off. Let's watch some good old TV. What's on TV? Sit down. Come on, sit down. Might want the remote. Hey! 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 There's a car! What? Does this go up? Ooh! Why did I press on that? Let's open the window. Let's open the window. Let's open it! Let's open it! Come on, right there. No, I can't open it. Well, I guess you have to go to the door. Okay. I'll go to the... Oh, where's the door? I had the worst memory in the world. What is going on with the lag? And I'm not even online. What a good book, even though I hate to read. This guy's progressing on his own. God, this is not exciting yet. I want to get to the exciting part of Heavy Rain. The story goes by really slow. Really slow. Goes by really slow. Wow, I'm good at that. This guy's good at it. This does it underground! Of course! Easiest way to do. I'm tired of this. I want to go upstairs. They're home! Whoa, I teleported! How'd I teleport? Let's go like...
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think
Hell
you're gonna
no.
have to wait a little while for that.
Can't drive my car.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
What? How to help her? Okay. I wanted to walk away. Yeah, let's kiss. Totally. Froze, really?
Oh, they've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
I made some pretty good progress. I've just got to work on a few more details, and then I should be ready to present the plans to the client.
Oh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Okay.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Oh, okay.
That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Ha! I wonder if I can drop it. Oh, I don't want to drop it. I don't feel like dropping it. I might ruin the story. God, this goes by so slow.
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes!
Okay, guys, I'll see you next episode, okay?
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전